Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikavai Tadavai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namo. Vancha kalpadruvascha kripa sindhu bhayevacha Didanam bhavane bhu vaishnave gunam. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama. Yesterday, what did I say? Huh? Oh, they are coming. Delhi devotee are coming or not?
They don't pick up, and mobile not working, and internet not checking out.
Maybe the cell phone is not on.
Okay. So continue. We also discussed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave order to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu stay in Bengal, but nevertheless, because of ecstatic love, Lord Nityananda Prabhu also went to see him. অনুরাগের এই লক্ষণ এই বিধি নাহি মানে তার আজ্ঞা ভাঙে তার সঙ্গের কারণে. Indeed, it is symptom of real affection that one breaks the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, not caring for the regulative principles to associate with him. রাসে জুইছে ঘর যাইতে গোপীরে আজ্ঞা দিলা তাহা আজ্ঞা ভাঙি তার সঙ্গে সে রহিলা. During the Ras dance, Krishna asked all the gopis to return home, but they neglected his order and stayed there for his association. আজ্ঞা পালনে কৃষ্ণে জয়িছে পরিতোষ, প্রেমে আজ্ঞা ভাঙলে হয় কোটি সুখ পোষ. If one carries out Krishna's order, Krishna is certainly pleased, but if one sometimes breaks his order due to ecstatic love, that gives him millions of times greater happiness. So this thing also we discussed about Krishna's Raslila Katha. When Krishna played the flute, all the gopis they came out from their house. And then Krishna joked with the gopis, you have to return back to your home because Rajan Nesa Ghoru Rupa Ghoru Satta Nivesita. Oh gopis, listen, now is midnight and completely darkness. You are ready, should not stay in the forest. Because at midnight there are many kinds of ferocious animals, they are coming out, and maybe they will disturb you, attack you. Rajan Nisa Ghor Satta Nisevita. You should return back to home. If you tell, oh, we have come here, just take darshan to forest. So now we took darshan the forest, we have to return back to home. You should not stay longer in here. And another thing, all you are young girls, I am only one brahmachari. Because scriptures explain, matra sasradhita vivita sanovasit balavan indriyo gramu vidyangapi sankarsayate. Even the intelligent person stay with his mother, wife, daughter, mind will be disturbed. So should not stay alone with the ladies. Your mind will be disturbed also, my mind will be also disturbed. So it is better to return back to home. Another thing, you have to serve your husband. Because this is the rules and regulation of the scriptures. Pati, you have to serve your husband. One who does not worship her husband after his death, he will go hell. Even the husband is very old or harsh word speaking, you have to stay with your husband. Chaste lady, she does not give up her husband. Pati paramam devam. Our scriptures explain, Pati Dev is called Param Devata. This is the scriptures explain this way. So Krishna told to the Gopi, you have to return back to home. Then Gopis, they are very clever. They told, hey Krishna, you told to us, return back our home. But you stole our mind. So how can we return back our home? Without mind, we cannot walk. Only your legs, you cannot walk. When your mind concentrates with your legs, then you can walk. So Gopis in this way told, you stole our mind. So how can you walk? Padam na chalati tab padam mula. Padam na chalati tab padam mula. We cannot return back our home from you. How possible go back? So return back our mind. क्या बोला শুনিস নাই তো হরিকথা তো শুন আর গোপী কোথায় গেল শেষ হয়ে আছে যাবি ট্রাভেল যাবি কিনা আজকে হ্যাঁ আজকে নেই কালকে নাকি বাস তো খালি গেছে বাসটা তো আমার ভরতে হবে তো হ্যাঁ তুই যাবি না বেকার বেকার শুধু বলে আপনি নেবেন না ধূর তো আছিস কি আছিস সরল আছিস সরল হইলে গোড়ার বিচার বুঝিয়া লই যাবি না কিছু করবি না শুধু বলি যে আপনি আমাকে নেবেন হ্যাঁ আমার তো বাস ভরবে না বাস ভরার জন্য লুক করছি আগে কলকাতা ফ্রিতে নিয়ে গেলে তো কেউ যাবে না বলে ফ্রিতে নিয়ে গেলে কেউ যাবে না বলে তাহলে কি করা যাবে হ্যাঁ কোথায় যেতে? 10:30 বাজে তো আমরা ঘুরে আসবো তো। হ্যাঁ, पूर्व भाग और डिटेल से तो पादं न चलती तब पाद मूलत। हे कृष्ण, हे गोविंद, you stole our mind, so how can we return back our home? Our mind, that is called the jewels, jewels of the heart. मणि हृदय के जो है रत्न कहा जाता है। Without mind we cannot walk, without mind we cannot perform any kinds of activities. Only with our eyes we cannot see. When our mind connected with our eyes, then we can see. This is the process. So for this regard, Gopis also told, padam na chalati tava pada moolat. This is it. And another thing he told, to serve our husband, pati seva. So one is called pati, another is called parampati. Pati means husband. Or parampati, who is the, what is it called? Supreme husband. In this material world, relationship with wife and husband, that's the bodily relationship. When body change, then our relationship with wife and husband also change. This one. This life, I think he sees my wife is my husband. When left this body, then there are no relationship, nothing. Okay. So padam na chalati tava pada moolat. Or you are called parampati. Parampati, that is the supreme husband. You are our supreme husband. And you are eternally husband. So in this way, Gopis, they told very nice, beautiful this katha. And you also told Ghoran Nasa, Rajan Nesha, Rajani. Rajani means dark night. हो गया सब? तैयार हो गया कि नहीं? और पत्तल लिया? पत्तल के व्यवस्था? अरे देखो, पत्ता ले लो। अभी चला है ना 6:30 बजे, बस खड़ी है, तो आप लोग के बस में बैठ जाए तो वो ठीक रहेगा। गाड़ी को जो है यहाँ पर, हाँ अच्छा रहेगा ना, नहीं तो ये करोगे क्या? चक्का घिसने और पेट्रोल फुट जल करके क्या होगा? हमारे तो पेट्रोल जाएगा। है? अच्छा चलो चलते हैं, देर हो जाएगी। और वो कहाँ गए सब? वृंदावन कहाँ गए? जाने की इच्छा नहीं है। कौन जावे? तू ही जाबी ना तो सबाई की जाओ, मनुष्य ना। अच्छा गोपी के डाक जाए कि ना जाए? वो एक धुरंधर जाए बना जाए, ठीक है। बोला बोला बोला। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राम। हाँ जाने के लिए बस है। और what happened? They will come or not?